Give me that hoof look. No, Dixon. You can hang out if you just sit and chill, but that's it. Buddy. No, you're gonna have to go. Come on now, out. If you can sit and be cool, you can stay, but you gotta sit and be cool. Sit. Today I'm going to do a review on the Goal Zero Venture 30. Great little device. It's a good gadget to have in your backpack. It only weighs 8.8 ounces. It slips right in the back pocket. I carry a lot of stuff in the side pockets of my hiking pants, and it's perfect. Whenever I do live streaming, I can just plug it in the top here, have about a 6-foot cord, and get all kinds of range of motion. It charges up fully in probably about 45 minutes is what I've found. Then you can get 2 to 3 total charges out. It's the paperwork said that you can get 3 full charges. I have right now an iPhone 6S. I generally get about 2.5 full charges out of that. So it's all you really need for a day. Live streaming, I mean, depending if you're going to do like a marathon where you're going to be going for 4 or 5 hours, I think it would still hold up, honestly. It's got a micro USB for one side. I've never had to use it. It's more of an Android thing. Then it also has the regular USB to plug in. Completely waterproof. It's really, really durable. I carry this thing just about every single day, and every day I do get out on the hiking trails. It is solar ready, charges in 9 hours with a personal solar cell that you can put on your backpack. Haven't gotten that accessory for it yet. We do plan on getting that. Most of my hikes are day hikes and I come back home. And they do have a Venture 70 that's about twice as powerful. That's great. I haven't gone there. I started to get that one, but it's about $50 more expensive. And this worked out great. I think I paid right about $79 for it. I've had this for about 9 months now, using it on just about a daily basis. There's been months that go by that I know for a fact I've used it on a daily basis. It charges the iPhone 6S fully in probably about 30 minutes or so, maybe a little bit more. It also has a power gauge on it. You can tell I've used it all day because it's only got one in blue, and then the other side has a flashlight. I think that would be very useful during camping, you know, if you're looking for something in the tent, something like that. I don't use it that much because I'm usually inside by night, but it's a nice bright flashlight. Great backup flashlight to have in the backpack as well. Because I don't use it very much, I'm not really sure exactly how much the flashlight drains it down. I'm sure it would be pretty considerable. It's 5 LEDs, so, but they don't burn too much power. But yeah, couldn't be happier with this guy. It's got a rubber rim, so when it's dropped, it does, and I've dropped this thing in water, I've dropped it all kinds of times. I've had to dig dirt out of it. I'm not real easy on electronics out in the backcountry, and this thing has probably held up better than any gadget that I have so far. So, great little piece. Thank you guys very much for watching.
Nice, Dixon.
You can take that out, right?
Yeah. You're banished.